Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 task. I just want to give you some useful pointers and instructions on how to complete the task. You're going to need the lesson plan Google Sheet template. So click on the template to make a copy. This is your individual copy, so feel free to change, alter and add whatever you seem fit for your lesson plan. And when you're done, hit the share button. And because we don't want it restricted, we want to change it to anyone with the link can access. But we feel it's easier if you choose commenter, and that way it gives your colleagues a chance to actually comment without altering anything of your lesson plan. So go down, hit the reply button. Make sure you tell us about your teaching content. Teaching context. Is the lesson plan targeting young learners? Do you work in a public school? The age group, if it's primary or secondary or tertiary education. And then once you're done, because you can't actually right click and paste in the discussion panel, you have to insert link, external link. Please add, for instance, a title, my lesson plan. Go down. And now you can right click or command click, paste, done, and that's it. Go down, post reply, and everyone will read your teaching context and be able to see your teaching plan. We can't wait to read your lesson plans, and if need be, drop us a line even in the reading context, in the discussion forum here. We can help you. Can't wait. See you soon.